Ready to watch Mallory's round off back handsprings. Don't go downhill. You won.
Let's go for 3 now.
You got to stay here. Yeah, let's go for 3. I will not do these on the ground unless I have gym shoes. I'm wearing sandals, so sorry. Oopsie. Oopsie. Oh well. Let's take a walk with Brandy. Jump down. Mallory, she wants to jump down. Come get your dog. And now we're going to take a walk. Come on, walk this way. You are going to see the view of Brandy walking with Mallory and me. We're walking towards the evil barn. It's not looking the evil barn. See the cows way back there? I don't think they see them. Come here, baby. Brandy! Come here, Brandy. Come here, baby. Hi, Brandy. Hi, Brandy. Hey, okay, Brandy. It's a pretty girl. I got her on my birthday, September 11th, and what the crap is that?